Hi babes, for today I'm bringing you my skincare routine. You guys requested it, so let's go. First things first, cleanse my face. I love this foaming cleanser from CeraVe and my go-to Luna Babe. This is the Luna 3 from Foreo. I die for it. I use it in the morning, I use it in the shower, and I use it at night. You can connect it with your phone and it will give you all the steps that you need to take and how to use it. It will show you just everything, and you can use it with any products that you have at home. They have different versions, but this is like my favorite one, and this just really goes deep and cleanses my skin. So I use this super good cleanser from CeraVe and this babe right here every day. This is like a everyday thing that I do. It just keeps my skin clear, and then I just wash it off and I tap the towel. I do not rub it. And my favorite toner, this is from Ola Eriksson. I tried other ones, but I don't know, I just love how this one works for my skin. Now this is a bougie one, and I'm gonna leave some affordable options on the description box, but this baby works. Okay, this works, and I use it on my skin every night, and I feel like every time that I stop using these for a few weeks, my skin just breaks out a lot more. I've tried, believe me, and for me this works. It might not work for you, but for my skin it works really nice. And I used to have acne and I used to break out a lot, and since I put these into my routine, it just got a lot better. And this baby too, this is more affordable, but it works as well. It clears up my skin. It just really clears up. I have a lot of acne scars because I do have this tendency of popping my pimples that I hate. I still sometimes do that, but I did that a lot before. And this babe right here just helps clearing up and clarifying my skin. And then my favorite baby, this is the Weleda, I don't know how to pronounce this, skin food. Is for dry skin, and I have combo skin, but it works for me. It just this is like skin food. It's food for my skin. I'm not even kidding you. It leaves my skin so moisturized, and I don't feel like it's heavy. Even though I have oily T-zone, I don't feel like it's heavy on my skin. It just takes a few, an hour to absorb, and then you're good to go. And then on here, I'm just going with some lip balm from Kylie. I just use whatever I have in hand. It's not something that I like to pay attention to. An important step that I do almost every night are these ice globes that I put on my freezer, and this helps with blood circulation. And I feel like my skin, the overall health on my skin, is just so much better after I started doing these. You can just use your hands. You don't need to have these, but these you can find on Amazon, you can find on eBay, you can find on online, on so many different online stores. And if you put them on the freezer, that really helps with your blood circulation and improves the overall health of your skin. So I try to do this every night. I'm not the best at it, but I try. I almost every night. And that's it. This is my skincare routine. I do this every day, and look at the before and after. You can see how alive I look after the skincare routine and how nice my skin looks. Even though it's not perfect, it's a lot better and it's getting better. I really hope you guys like this super quick video. If you did so, give me a thumbs up. That will help me a lot. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you here, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'm gonna leave some more in here just in case you guys want to watch. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you, and I really hope I see you on my next one. Bye bye.